the silence, how it flutters through my room. It just feels violent. I think you feel it too. Pulling on my fingers while you stutter through your words. Your thoughts, they always linger, and I think I'm on the verge of breaking down. Don't know what that's about. Your eyes, they cut right to the edge of my boredom and order. Obsessive disorders and trying to fight, but these feelings won't hide anymore. I'm tired of the shit you said. It's depression, transgressions, annoying expressions. It's stupid, babe, why would you do this? You promised me more. I'm faded, it's jaded. We used to be friends, it was so innocent, but I'm done. I'm faded and gone. I'm faded, it's jaded. We used to be friends, but I hate to pretend that I'm wrong. I'm faded and gone.
Right, a good girl with a real bad body. When we face to face, we get all off topic. Say you won't change, but you never change for me. How we gon' beat the game, never play for me. But you just need trust, you just need someone to love. You don't need all of this stuff, but you just keep playing. I just want to get a game and show you and tell you and take all this love and stop playing. Push up on it, fill up on ya, I don't care. Whisper something, tempt you crazy, pull your hair. No, baby girl, you tell me something. When we all alone, we get the cutting. That's after we pass the touching. Jump, let's have a party. Stop frontin', I'm your nigga. Big boy making drug figures. Big boy was a drug dealer. Get the bag that we missed the past, and you cannot change what you never had. And don't let the shit fade away all up in the grass.
I'm faded, it's jaded. We used to be friends, it was so innocent. Now I'm done. I'm faded and gone. I'm faded, it's jaded. We used to be friends, but I hate to pretend that I'm wrong. I'm faded and gone. Didn't wanna stay past 2 a.m. Didn't wanna know what happened then. I will always be sober, and I can come off as a loner. Didn't